So we have Elizabeth here, who's 6 weeks now following her hip replacement. She's had the other side done by myself as well last year. So Elizabeth, what sort of things can you do now that you couldn't do before your operations?
Oh, ride a bike, walk the dogs, put my own socks on, put my own underwear on. It's so nice to have your own dignity. Get in and out the bath, have a shower, just getting in and out of things, getting in and out the car. As a lady, the proper way, instead of shuffling in like a, and then picking your legs up and shoving them over. They might sound really silly little things, but they are huge when you want your own independence, your own dignity. And I'm not an old lady. I still have a load to do, so I can do it now.
Fantastic. And what was the process like of having a hip replacement done at the Woodlands?
Oh, brilliant. Absolutely amazing. You just come in. They're so good to you. They look after you. You come in. They explain the process, what they're going to do, how it's going to happen. And I was a bit nervous about having the epidural because I don't like to lose control. But they were brilliant. They talked me through, kept talking to us. Then they spray your legs with this cold stuff till you kind of feel it. And then you go nicely to sleep. The next thing you wake up, you're not in pain. It's amazing. You don't feel no pain. Then you get your feeling back in your legs. And you just got the pain from the scar, but that's not your arthritis. That is your hip. You've had a big op. It's major. It's huge. Yes, you're going to be in pain. You're going to hurt. But the staff are there. They're brilliant. They'll give you medication. Take it. I don't take medication. Don't like it, but I have done for 10 years. And take the medication. You need it. You do need it. Anybody will tell you. And then they'll get you out of bed. You're not stopping for weeks. You're in and out. And then get out of bed, walk. It'll hurt. It will hurt. You'll think, what have I done? But you will not regret it, honestly. It's the best thing ever. I wish I'd never waited.